R2SM revolutionizes orbital welding. Faster, more effective, cheaper, we've got it down. That was before. Orbital welding, only for professionals with experience. Time-consuming, difficult, expensive, tiring. Are you ready for a cost reduction of over 65% while saving 70% of your time? Are you ready for comfortable, fatigue-free work at the touch of a button with PLC control with a 7-inch touch display? Craving perfect results? Then look no further. The welding machine R2SM is designed for metalworkers, locksmiths, stair builders, and related trades to produce rounds, plates, welding of lug and butt joints to any weldable material. With the R2SM, you can already weld the first posts after 20 minutes of training. Weld end caps in 78 seconds with a round post diameter of 8 centimeters in absolute top quality. Even every trainee can do this with the R2SM on the first day. But R2SM can do much more. With optional accessories and individually expandable and customizable programs, there are no limits to your imagination. Machines for professionals made in Germany. We manufacture highly effective devices for metalworkers without frills that fulfill exactly what you wish for in the stainless steel processing area. Wire feeder, belt sander, pickling device. 20 years of experience from craftsmanship for craftsmanship. Find out all the details now and join the welding revolution. How our machines can be most effectively integrated into your work environment and how you can increase your profits and reduce processing times with them. The best has always been a personal conversation. Call us or write us an email. We look forward to hearing from you.